Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix flashlight not turn off. So let's see the step. First of all, you need to open settings. So find settings and click on it. Now just scroll down and find apps and click on it. Now click on search bar and search for settings. Now click on settings. Now scroll down and click on storage. Now click on clear data. Now click on delete. Now go back to home screen and normally restart your phone by pressing power button. After all step, now check your problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.